Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Queen, and I am here with my another video. And my this video is about some high pencil heel in really beautiful design and different color combination that looks really amazing and really pretty. And as you see, this blue color looks really nice, a very beautiful that looks really amazing. And this one is also a very beautiful black color heel, and as you know, heels are that type of footwear that you can wear with your every kind of outfit, like it's eastern or it's western. It look really beautiful with both and enhance your personality and make your outfit more pretty and more amazing. And watch this video till the end, then you will get some ideas about different kind of heels that can help you to upgrade the collection of your heels and make it more interesting and beautiful. And as you see, this black color heel looks really nice, a very pretty black color that looks really good. And this one is also a very beautiful red shiny thing, and that looks really amazing. And this transparent heel looks really nice, a very beautiful kind of heel, like the two shades, that looks really pretty and amazing. And as you see, this one is also a very beautiful, the whole transparent heel. And as you see, this one is also a pretty golden color that looks really nice. And this one is also a very beautiful combination, and this heel looks really nice, a very pretty black color, amazing. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon, and like this video, comment on this video and share this video. So today's video is about to end. Bye bye and take care, and thanks for watching this video till the end.